What's going on, everybody? So got a detail for y'all today. I'm going to take y'all along. We do pressure washing. That's one side of our business, and the other side is detailing, car detailing. We do boats, RVs, houses, all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to take y'all through, I'll show you the Lightning real quick. I know some of y'all have been asking about the Lightning. So she's still sitting over here hanging out. I've been starting her probably a couple times a week now, just letting it, you know, kind of the juices flow and stuff like that. But February, hopefully around February of next year, 2021, we will have a shop, and it's going to be a detail shop. I'm going to have an area in there with hopefully like some sort of lift. I don't know if I'll do like a 2-post lift or if I'll just do like the quick jacks or something like that. But I'll have a lift to where I can set the Lightning on it and actually start working on the Lightning. So enough about that. I'm going to show y'all the detail today. I'm going to try and get some cool camera angles. We actually were gonna move a little bit, like probably a couple months ago, so we packed up a lot of our stuff, and I can't find my microphone for my big camera. I can't find any of my tripods. So I'm doing all handheld stuff on a GoPro right now, so bear with me. But let me show you what we got today. So here's the interior. This is the back seat. We're gonna get all this cleaned up. I already started in the very back. It's not too terribly bad. You can see some stuff like down in here. Nothing that we're not used to seeing. Some dust on the dash and stuff like that. We got some stuff in the cup holders down in here, but we're gonna take care of all that. So I'll show you the back real quick. I'll post a before picture of what this looks like. But we're getting there. I'm still doing a little bit down here, but we're getting there. The exterior, you can see we've got just some mud, typical stuff. This one's not too bad. We're gonna clean up the wheels and stuff for them. Full detail. We got some bug guts on the mirrors, bug guts on the front, but nothing that we're not used to seeing. So let's hop back into it. So our process, what we normally do is we vacuum with a soft brush all the panels, all the seats and stuff like that, everything pretty much on the top level, and then we go to the carpet on the bottom level. So you vacuum top to bottom, because if you vacuum like all the carpet first and then you vacuum the back of these seats, you're going to drop dirt onto the carpet, and then you got to vacuum the carpet again. So you always vacuum from the top down on panels, anything that you do. So I always start out with usually this brush right here, this soft brush. We'll hit all these door panels, like I said, starting at the top going down. We'll vacuum inside the cup holders. We'll vacuum the seats, all of the B pillar and the C pillars back here and stuff like that, inside the cup holders. And then after we do all the stuff up top, then we go to the carpet. So I'll try and it's kind of hard because I'm by myself today. I'll try to get some okay camera angles for y'all so you can kind of see what we do. Alright guys, so got the interior pretty much done. Got a couple things I got to do, but for the most part it's pretty clean. I got to do a little bit more in the center console, but it's looking good. I like it. So now I'm going to probably clean the rest of the interior stuff, and then I'll start with the wheels, and then I'll wash this thing. So we're getting close on it. If you want, go follow us on Facebook at Dust to Glory Pressure Washing, or you can go to dtgpressurewashing.com and you can see some of the before and afters we've done. But thank y'all so much for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. All right.